What does that tell us then about some of that? Was it a bit of an overreaction then when you take a look at some of the selling action on the heels of the Deepseek developments, and maybe what that signals for some of that broader adoption?
Yeah, I mean, that's a great question. And, real time, we're trying to figure that out. It looks like NVIDIA's shareholders today are liking what's happening. A lot of call volume, by the way. We look at the flow. It's pretty amazing from NVIDIA so far this morning. And I would say, during earnings season, as I mentioned, it hasn't been the best for technology. But for AI and whether this is going to, look, we came in this year thinking it's going to be 20% year over year CapEx spending. You know what? After going through this earnings season, in here, Microsoft at $93 billion, Facebook or Meta at 60-some billion spent, and hundreds of billions of dollars spent. Amazon just on a Thursday night saying they got about 103, 104. This story is alive and well. So instead of that 20% year over year, we're saying 25 to 30, and we may be seeing closer to 30%. So I think NVIDIA shareholders and maybe new shareholders in NVIDIA are looking at this and say, yeah, Deepseek, they probably had this up in the drawing board. NVIDIA probably knew there'd be threats like this. Of course, they didn't spend $6 million to do it. But then you look at the weight of the evidence of this CapEx spend like we haven't seen in the history of our markets to see this much spending. Again, I'll be out of these stocks at some point when we see that growth rate slow down. But I'm saying 25 to 30% year over year. And some of these numbers are an incredible amount of money that's going into data centers, AI, and so forth.